This video is sponsored by Aosk. What's up everyone, this is YouTube Ken. I'm back with another video. I did tell you in this previous video that I did have a new sponsor that reached out to me. So I wanted to definitely make a video of the first product and hopefully future products that I receive from them. Disclaimer, this is a free product to me. I'm not making any money off of this as well. Hang to the end of the video and you will get a coupon code. So what I received from Aosk is the hidden storage bin that goes in your Tesla, and I'll show you down here the current one that I do have, which I mean it has served its purpose, no doubt. And it does this part right here is plastic. It's like a pretty tough plastic. I'll take it out for you and show you. This is the hidden section right here. I mean there's nothing in here at all. So now, since we're going to retire this one, we're going to see how the other one looks. I haven't cheated and looked at it. Dang, it's not as satisfying. Nice guy. Let me try that again. A little bit. I tried, man. Comes in this nice little bag. I'm going to take it out. Oh, that's pretty nice. Actually, I love the texture of it. When I saw it on his website, I was like, hey, you know, I don't know. I mean, it looks way better, but when you get it in person, sometimes you really don't know. You don't see any kind of slide thing, so. But I do see a hand, like depressed. Hopefully you can see that at the top. I think you just press it. Well, let's try it. Oh man, it's kind of satisfying actually. Oh man. All right, so let's go down here and put it in here. But you see it comes right out. So you're definitely gonna have to use these right here. So take them off, put it in there. You're never going to take this out. Store something important in here. So they did upgrade the design of this, and that's why it looks so much different from other companies. It fits the 2016 to 2021 Model 3 and Model Y, and it's just that high quality ABS material, plastic material. And on their Amazon site, they do say that you can feel free to contact them. They'll contact you within 24 hours. I'm assuming that's business hours. But this is pretty much a fresh product. First available August the 20th. And now we're in October. So it's fairly new. If you wanted a different hidden armrest, this is something to pick up. Currently it is $14.95 on Amazon. But since you made it to the end of this video, I did ask Aosk about getting a coupon code for my subscribers, or just anyone if you would like to. But just keep in mind, it only lasts for November the 4th. So I'm trying to get this video out as soon as I can to give you time, just in case you want to get it. I mean, it's 10% off. Yes, so that's the upgraded armrest, hidden storage for your Model 3 and Model Y. That is push open, which is cool. And just pull it down like that. I like that. Aosk, thank you so much for sending this product to me, and hopefully to deal with you in the future as well, so I can just show my subscribers some options
to pimp out the ride.
And keep in mind, this is not just for Tesla. If you pull up Amazon, their site, they have even accessories for the Mach-E. So this is for EVs in general. So very good source to go check out. So please like this video and let me know if you're thinking about picking this product up. I mean, I think it's a cool little upgrade than just this regular thing that we've had for years. So please punch that like button and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload videos or anything. This is YouTube Ken. I'll see you in the next video.